All right, guys, it is Friday, May the 7th, and this is what we covered for today. So for review, ask the class 2 questions. The first one is, what is information management? So information management is just organizing a bunch of information, a bunch of data. And then examples of maybe a management information system. Remember, a management information system is like PowerSchool. So PowerSchool helps us to organize a bunch of data. Or Canvas, or maybe a management information system at a hospital. A management information system is a fancy term for a database, just organizes a bunch of information. So remember, I'm kind of skipping around based on what I feel like is important for you guys for your final exam and just life. So we continued with technology today. Technology used by businesses. All right, we started off today with computer networks. So computer network, that's just a bunch of computers and devices that are connected together. So like all of the kids and faculty in Nash County Public Schools are connected to the same network of computers. You guys saw that the other day when the fiber optic cable was cut. Our entire network went down because we're all connected together. So, you know, you could be in another teacher's room, and if you had all the passcodes and stuff and administrative rights, you could actually print onto my printer wirelessly from another teacher's classroom, which is kind of cool. So a computer network, that's just a bunch of computers or devices that are all linked to the same system. And they share data, share printers, share software, so they have access to the same information, just as long as you have those rights. All right, so examples of computer networks. The first one is the internet. You guys know what the internet is. Anybody can access the internet as long as they have connection. So it's the public World Wide Web. Now this right here is called an intranet. So let me show you the spelling, I-N-T-R-A-N-E-T. So this is what I was just talking about with a network, a private network. So when we go into Google and we want to send an email to somebody, you know, within the Nash County Public School District from our Gmail account, we just type in their name and their name pops up because we are all on the same network. So this right here, Nash County Public Schools, private network just means that nobody can just access our stuff without our username and a password. So it's a private network. All right, so I'm going to skip around here. All right, right here. All right, a browser. These little icons right here, like Google Chrome. I don't know if any of you guys ever use Firefox anymore. I do every now and again if Chrome is acting up. But these little icons right here, or these services, they allow your computer to access the internet. So a browser allows you to get online. Now, the server. This is like the brain of the whole network. So all of our data for Nash County Public Schools is stored on a server. It's just a computer system, a central unit, a brain that stores a bunch of information where people can be connected to it. So like in this picture, this right here is going to be your server. And then you got all these different users and devices that are connected to the same data. And then bandwidth. Bandwidth, think about the width of something. But on the internet, bandwidth is just the amount of information that can be pushed through at one time. So a video can't be pushed through as fast as a text. A video takes a little bit longer to upload, just like these videos that I'm recording. They take a little bit longer to upload than if I'm just uploading a document or an image. So bandwidth is just the amount of information that can be pushed through the internet. Skip some more. And right here. All right, some more common technology uses. in businesses. All right, the first one is word processor. So this is like what you guys use to type your memo, your letter, your resume. So Google Docs would be an example of a word processor. You used to type letters, memos, reports, contracts. It's called a word processor because all you're doing is you're typing words up there. You're processing words. A spreadsheet, that is for numbers, math, money. You can also design charts, pie charts, bar charts from spreadsheets. So spreadsheets, these are calculators. Database, that's used to store and organize a lot of information, like PowerSchool. So for businesses, it helps you to, keep a list and data of your customers and your clients. Operating systems. Operating systems help your computer's software and hardware communicate with each other. So like right here, my mouse, right here, I'm moving it and I see it on the screen, but I can actually see it, move it around. The operating system is actually helping my software and my hardware communicate with each other. So it just helps the computer to, i.e., operate. All right, presentation software, pretty self-explanatory. It helps you to do presentations with visuals and sound, pictures, animations. You can do voice narrations. I can record this. This is a voice narration. I can put my voice overlay on this presentation. Put pictures up there, graphics. So most of you guys have used like Google Slides. That's a presentation software, PowerPoint. All right, so this is word processing software. This is a spreadsheet. You guys see numbers, calculating, cells, and you also got a bar chart, pie chart here. So this is a spreadsheet. My computer's acting a little silly. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this one. All right, PowerSchool. You're looking at the state where somebody lives. That's a database. All right, you got a list of your clients, a list of your contacts and their contact information that will be stored in a database. All right, manages hardware and software. This is your operating systems. So like for your phones, for your Apple and your Droids, you've got the operating system that helps the actual software on the phone communicate to the hardware to be able to use it. This is presentation software, and that's what we cover for today. Make sure you guys go into Canvas and do your exit ticket, and I'll see you guys Monday.